See this crunchy piece of fried chicken? I made it in the oven. I'm gonna show you how to make the crispiest, crunchiest fried chicken in the oven. It's so good. Okay, so to get started, I'm working with close to 4 pounds of chicken drumsticks. I'm gonna be seasoning with onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, some MSG, pepper, some salt, and I'm gonna be shaking on this all-purpose flour. And after I kind of mix it, I'm going to add a little bit of this sparkling or mineral water, a carbonated water, that's just gonna help to keep like a crispy texture. I'm gonna start, like I said, start with I think a teaspoon of each would work for this. Garlic powder. So I added onion powder, garlic powder. Here I have the paprika. Just shake that in or on. Cracked black pepper. Here I'm going to do some salt. I'm going to give this a mix and just kind of mix everything around. So here I'm going to shake in maybe like a half cup of all-purpose flour. Just kind of coat it. I'm going to shake in the MSG again all over. MSG is optional. I got my glove dirty. Okay. So start with like, say a half cup and just mix this around. And we're going to go shake and bake style with this. And I'll show you what I mean when I say that. Where you go over with some more flour. I'm going to just dump that in there. And now it's nice and sticky and coated. This is what you're looking for. Hold on. Kind of sticky and coated. So we're going to pour some of the cornflakes into a baggie. Keep going. Keep going. That should be good for right now. Crunch them up. You take your sticky coated chicken and we're going to drop it right in this bag. Shake it around a little bit. Before I place the chicken, I'm going to spray it with cooking oil. And then place it onto your baking sheet, just like that. Okay, so we're going to get our next piece. You'll want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, going in, and then you coat it before you touch the Ziploc. Perfect. Okay, so my chicken is coated. So what I'm going to do is just spray it lightly. And now it's ready for the oven. I am going to bake this chicken in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Cook time always varies depending on the starting temp or temperature of the chicken. This still has a chill on it, so it may take like 45 to 50 minutes. Like I said, 45 minutes to an hour in a 375 degree oven. Gonna add some salt. Have garlic, the white of a scallion. Cover with a lid. Okay, I'm gonna be making mashed potatoes, so I'm gonna let these boil until they are soft and tender. Okay, I have butter in a pot, a small pot. I'm gonna add some Italian green beans. Here I have some sliced onion going in. I'm going to go in with some garlic, salt, pepper blend, some onion powder, and some lemon pepper. Cover that with a lid and just let that slowly cook until it's heated through and it starts to simmer. Okay, so these are done. Yeah, these are done. So I'm going to drain all the boiling water, and this is done as well. Just keep that covered. Okay. Butter. Pinch of salt. Here I have some just milk. You could use cream. And I'm just going to mash all of that. The residual heat will just melt the butter and just salt and pepper to taste. That'll be the mashed potatoes. I'm going to add more rest of that. Okay, so the chicken should be ready. It has been 50 minutes. Oh yeah. It looks so good. Wow. Okay. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, so this is crispy, crunchy, oven-baked fried chicken. And it was not hard to make. And the texture is so crispy. So this is what a plate will look like. Piece of chicken. And some of it did stick. It's okay. There we go. And this is dinner. Crispy oven fried chicken. Does that make sense? I don't know. It does in my house. The mashed potatoes. Oven fried chicken. It's going. If you do not like crunchy, crispy eating noises, tune away or scroll away. Here we go.